How to fix Snapchat camera not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Snapchat opens up but the camera shows a black screen, freezes, or refuses to switch lenses, don't panic. It's a common issue that you can easily fix. Let's go through the most effective solutions. First thing you can do is restart your Snapchat on your phone. Go to your recent apps and clear out everything, then reopen Snapchat and you should be good to go. Once you have done that, you can check your camera permission. For that, long press on Snapchat, tap on the I button right beside your Snapchat. Then you can go ahead and scroll down to find permissions. Go to camera, make sure it's allowed right here. Once you have done that, you can clear your Snapchat's data. So go to storage, go to clear cache, and then you can check your battery permissions as well. For that, you can go to battery, make sure this is not restricted. You can switch it to optimized or unrestricted depending on your choice. And then finally, you can update Snapchat. You can check for updates on Google Play Store. If there are any updates available instead of open, update the app to its latest version and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.